Okay, so we are going to show you one of our favorite places to go to find stuff while we're renovating. We've posted about it a lot on our Instagram, and so we're going to show you kind of what they have to offer. Yeah.
You gonna tell them what it is?
No, it's going to be a surprise.
Oh, okay. It's nice. 130, but it's nice.
It sinks for real cheap. This is where we got our sink. It was like $15. Lots of wood. Lots of it. Pricing just kind of varies. And in this corner we have some movie seats, which I think is pretty cool. Obviously we have no use for them, but just kind of some more cool stuff you can find here. Also, lots of paint. This is actually one of the bigger ones that we've been to. It's our first time. There are 5 in Kansas City. It's kind of awesome. Lots of windows and doors. So this one actually has an outdoor portion, which we've never been to one that has an outdoor portion. Look at all these chairs. Benches, chairs. Just so many things. I love this place. It's like one of my favorite places. Alright, so we went to Restore the other day and we got one thing. It was actually a new Restore that we went to. There are like 5 of them in Kansas City. Yeah. It's pretty awesome. But and we ended up getting just one thing, but like we have said, we go there a lot, and it's a place that we definitely recommend, just because, you know, it's recycling mixed with good deals, mixed with, you can find some really cool stuff. So yeah, do you have anything else?
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of hard to go through and know what you're looking for exactly, because there's a lot of stuff, and if you're looking for something in particular, it's going to be kind of hard to find it. But if you just keep a lookout for things that you're, you know, upcoming projects and things, then right, it's perfect. So yeah. For instance, one step that we're going to take is to paint the floors next. So we knew we needed some kind of floor paint, so we found this interior exterior, and it's supposed to be a rust preventive coating, so thought it'd be perfect. It was $9.
It was $9, and we looked up the retail price of it, and it was like $50 or something. So, and it's full, yeah. Pretty full at least.
Yeah.
So, pretty good deal on that. Some other thing. This is actually the first thing we got. Is this? I like him in love with these things. They are just light coverings. They're $1 a piece. I think we got 6 of them. Then we got that sink right there. Was the sink I was talking about earlier. I think it was $15. Yep. It actually came with a slab of counter, but we're not using it because it was pretty. But it was pretty dirty, but James cleaned it up really good, so it's looking good. They have things like, I didn't really film any of it, but they have things like paintbrushes, just bins of nails, screws. We've gotten some hinges there. Handles, all for, yeah. decent price. So we also picked up this guy, which I'm also in love with. It was part of a like shelving, right? Was that what you call it? Like a cabinet?
Yeah, like a cabinet, and then these were just like door fronts, but
yeah. So we picked those up, and then we just tore it apart in the parking lot because we didn't have a truck or anything. So we were just like tore it apart and took
really
the parts that we
wanted
wanted.
those pieces anyway,
I know,
so.
they're really cute. And then we got this door. Can you see that? Yeah. So it's just like a accordion style door because we're gonna have a bathroom. And that was $5, and then we just spray painted it. So yeah, that is our favorite place to shop in Kansas City. And I highly recommend you check out to see, oh my god, there's a wasp. Oh my god, it's circling around again. Highly recommend that you check out and see if they have any around you, because you can find some really cool, really cheap stuff there.
Yep.
Yeah, so thanks for watching.